Hello everybody, welcome back to Coast Sky Adventures Town. Today I am at Glacier National Park. I finally made it out here and it looks amazing. This took about a 2-day trip to get out here and it looks amazing, guys. The trip was long and hard, but it is amazing. And there's the sign. Now I am going on to go into the Sun Road. I'm not going to do any hikes today. That'll probably be for tomorrow and the day on after, but I will have to see on that. But look at the views, guys. It's beautiful. And now I'm at St. Mary's entranceway to get here. Now I'm going to go to the visitor center, which is at Logan's Pass. Now I did forget the one thing that was a bug of mine. Now I did forget the one thing that I left at home, and that is my my passport. I left it at home, so I'm gonna have to buy another one and then just ghettoify it when I get home to my other one and just put it all together. But I just can't believe I left it at home and it was sitting on my computer desk, so it kind of sucks. But you got to do what you got to do out here. But it's amazing. It's amazing. It's just beautiful. Blending in. Going to the Sun Road was designed to blend in with the landscape and not detract from it. Look across the road, and did you notice the stone wall beneath the weeping wall? A revolutionary environmental design for its time, it influenced the direction of the National Park Service during a period of heavy infrastructure development in our national park. As you drive the road, pay attention to features both large and small. What other hidden details can you find? Okay, so the elevation here. So our current elevation is 5,800 feet. At Logan Pass, we are at 46 feet. And in West Glacier, we were down to 3,225 feet. We want to talk about a spot. There's many spots, like pull-up spots, you can come to in Glacier National Park. But this is a spot before you, I think you hit Weeping Wall, if I'm saying that correctly. Look how beautiful this spot is. Okay, so I made it down to the other side of Glacier National Park. And the reason why I came down there first was to go to the Sun Road. I wanted to do that. and just to see like where the shots I gotta go through and everything. But there's no car wash on the other side where when St. Mary is. No car wash at all. So I have to clean all this off of my car. Now this is all driving through Montana. Look at all the crickets. I gotta get all this out. I gotta get all this out. It looks pretty bad. That's pretty bad. From driving through Montana, it's nothing but farmland out there, and they were everywhere. I don't know how the bikers do it, but they were loving my car, and that's pretty bad. So let me get this cleaned off, and because it just looks disgusting. Gotta get cleaned off. Okay, so I took a little detour. Well, actually it wasn't a detour. I'm pretty much going back up to the west entrance to Glacier National Park, but this is the entranceway to it. So you got the post office over there, Huckleberry Hut. So this is what you're going to be running into if you're coming from the west entrance. And it's not bad. Not bad. Now, the way I came from, I was going toward, I think it's called Kelly's Spell. I'm not sure. I'm probably butchering that name. And that's where I got the car cleaned. I should probably show you what it looks like. It looks better. I had to get all the grasshoppers off. It was really, really tough. And then I had to get an oil change because but I like to live on the edge. I should have got it one night before I left, but my car does a little bit better with a fresh oil change. So I might as well. I was like, all right, let's just get it right now and enjoy the trip. But I'm gonna walk around the town, show you guys what's out here and what to expect. But let's go over there. I don't know what this is, but hopefully I don't get killed walking across the street. All right, let's go run. Let's run. I'm gonna run over. Buy anything yet. I'm trying to, I might just wait on the visitor centers and see there. I think I'm gonna go to the one at the Apgar campground, or the Apgar visitor center, and see what they have there, because trying to go in at Logan Pass ain't happening. You can't even get a parking spot. I looked right at that thing and I saw people walking up. I was like, yep, I see how that go. I just drove past that. I was like, yeah, I'm gonna skip Logan Pass for now until I get there when I get there. But let's see if we can get across the street here. Just run it. Just run it. What's the price though? Alright, they got $2.29, and some prices are high, but they fresh though. They look fresh. However, Lunchables are $5. No, that's a little high. It's a little high. Yeah, it's more expensive here. So if you're gonna buy any food, like anything like that, like $13 for meat, $19. Let me see. Bread is, well, it's organic, but still, it's $7.99. You're looking at $6.29. I don't know. That's pretty cool. I don't know. Never heard of this for bread before. $6.29 for bread alone. $7.29. Well, how much is the hot dog? $4.99. That's ridiculous. It's expensive. Even this is $2.89, $3.59. So you got to make sure you're buying food outside. Like the Uncle Ben, this is $5.49. At regular, they should be like around like $2.21, but they are $5. Oh God! Like that's what you're coming in here. Even pudding. Now we know well that's like way cheaper back home. So just to let you know, bring food from the outside, because you look at the Campbell soup. It's $6.89. What are we doing? Even at least the oodles and noodles ain't that bad. It's $1.79. It's okay. I mean, yeah. Don't get no box. But why is the Campbell soup $6.89 though? That's a lot. That's a lot. Like I said, guys, bring your food from the outside in. You might as well go ahead and buy food. This stuff is expensive. The cookies, the Oreo cookies, okay, $9.29. Nutter Butters, $9.89. Chips Ahoy, $7.99. All that stuff is like $2 something at home. Little healthy stuff, $6.59. Like this is the prices you're looking at, and highly recommend. Like I've been saying, bring your stuff from even Pringles. How was Pringles $4.79? Dang, I was rooting for that one. At least I'm hoping they would at least be higher than 7-Eleven. Why? Wow, look at that. $17.19 for some sunscreen. Wow. Even the travel stuff. Look what they're charging. $2.70. Like you can go to Walmart and get that for like a couple bucks. But 100% get your stuff from the outside. If you forgot something, you can go on. You can find a Walmart somewhere. Walmart is somewhere, and you can get it. But even detergent and stuff. Well, I mean that's a little bit. That's weird. That actually, well, no, like this is $10.89. That's I didn't know that came in that size. It's because I don't buy it in that size. But other than that. But yeah, bring your food from the outside. However, they do have the Jetboil stuff that goes for my thing, but they're $7.99. That's about kind of right for these. But you can go to Walmart and get any regular ones cheaper, and they pretty much will do the same thing. I get mine from Coleman, and that's it. I didn't even buy these. I got a little propane from Coleman and call it a day, and that works. And it's cheaper if you go to Walmart and buy it. Now, if you're coming on an airplane, you can't bring this on the airplane. You have to leave this at home. You can bring your Jetboil, but not the propane part of this. You have to keep this home. So if you have no choice, get this little guy for like $5.99 and go from there. That's what I did when I went to Yellowstone National Park. I flew in and I couldn't bring this on the plane, but I bought one of the little canisters at the visitor center at Canyon Village. So that's just something that if you have to, that's what you're gonna have to do. And that heats your food right on up. I love some duct tape. That's what I'm talking about. Duct tape goes a long way. Okay, so if you do want to go rafting, it is about, for the peak season, it is $79 for adults, $69 for a child. And then that's like a half a day whitewater rafting. And it's not a bad deal. That's not a bad deal. I mean, I would do it, but I just did my hair, and it takes time to get my hair done. And I just don't want to do my hair. I'll do something like that at home or something. I'm gonna make sure I somehow get a bus tour. Like I want to go on one of those red buses just to have the experience and let somebody else drive going to the Sun Road. I'm gonna be honest with you, this going to the Sun Road it's very intimidating if you're not one of those people that loves to be close to the edges and stuff like that. I'm one of those people, so my anxiety was a little bit high, but I did go through it. But coming down from east to west, that 1 mile strip of it not being done, I was like, this ain't good. So I'm just going to make the most of it being down this way, because I think majority of the time I'm going to be mostly up by Mount St. Mary's, not Mount St. Mary's. I'm going to be pretty much staying up in that area, because that's where the glaciers are. Be honest with you, if you're coming from the west entrance, you're going to be running into a lot of fires. Pretty much when you get all the way up, that's where the glaciers are. And I'm going to tell you guys a pro tip. Stay at St. Mary, which is all the way on the east entrance. Stay at the east entrance of St. Mary, because that's where the glaciers are. You're right there. When you're coming from the west entrance, you got to go a long way to actually see the glaciers. I am telling you right now, if you want to see the glaciers like right there, east entrance is your best bet. The west side, I hate to say, it's going to take you a long time. And thank goodness, I hate to say it, they have reservations, because coming down and coming up, if that was jam-packed like Yellowstone, I don't think I could have made it. So this is the one time where the reservations had to be in effect, because going up those roads are very narrow, and there's a lot of people on there on the turnout and everything. The reservation does work for Glacier National Park. I hate to tell you guys, this is what it is, but they do work for this park, and I hope they do keep it in so you guys can come in and go through go into the Sun Road well. But I would say go on the bus. They seem to be stopping at some good sites, and I'm planning on doing that sometime out of the week, going into one of those red buses and just take that trip. But I'm going to tell you this right now. Going to the Sun Road is a very intimidating drive. So if you're not one of those people that likes it, good luck. And if you're having like RVs and stuff, good luck even more. You guys got that. Thank you guys for watching. Please keep subscribing to Coast Guy Adventures, and also follow me on Facebook, and also follow me on Instagram. Subscribe, and I will see you guys later.